We got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. We're actually doing a little bit of time travel today. This is something from Militaria. Feel free to check out his website, his web store, mikesmilitaria.com. There's always a variety of items that come into stock, and once they're gone, sometimes they come back, sometimes they don't. So feel free to check that out frequently. Again, mikesmilitaria.com. Today we're looking at an item that comes in and out of stock, but I obviously acquired these when they were in stock. Feel free to check back again to see if they're available. Otherwise, you might be able to find these online elsewhere. So, if we go ahead and take a look and get you out of the way, I've actually opened the other side just to save some time. And we're getting a little bit of glare here, so let's see if we can improve this a little bit. Take the notes out of the way, flip it over. So, what we have are two of these, and now we can get the box out of the way. So, what we have here are two examples of the former Yugoslavia People's Army, JNA. This is the ON-M59 Monocular with case. So this used to be a monocular optical device that was used on, I believe, the M57 Panzerfaust-based anti-tank grenade launcher, which should be a 44mm reusable tube style launcher, possibly rocket assisted grenade. And this should be 3.5 magnification, possibly let's see, let's take a look at the first one here. Leather case, strap buckle, good condition, some sort of number. You can see the attachments to the case as well as the bottom with these little hobnails, keep them off the ground, protection and grip. Oh, it looks like we have some sort of cleaning cloth. I'm not going to bother taking that out. Let's take the monocular itself out. You can see there inside of the pouch itself has a recess. Feels like some sort of fiber, and there's actually a wood block at the bottom there too. Interesting. So that's one there. Let's take a look at the device itself. Rubber eye cup. Okay. We should have an elevation knob, which we do there. Okay. And it needs a little bit of cleanup. Very hard steel case. And there we go. ON-M59. All our numberings. Here's our where we would mount. So let's see if we can actually get this to work. Where's the camera? Oh, look there. There we go. So that's kind of what we're cloudy day. I don't think you can see the metering. Maybe just a little bit. If I can get the line up. So you can just barely see the meter text if you look at the sky portion there. Okay, back to here. Let's let's take a look at the second one. This one's a little bit more wear to the strap. Attachment points are good. A little bit of wear right there. And bottom looks good. So let's open this. No cleaning cloth. Let's get a look at the pocket area there. This appears to be a very small remnant of a cloth at the bottom there. And the case of this one, a little bit dirtier. And so we had some fluff on the lip. No, we still do. Ew. Let's see if we can get that off of there. That was easy. Just came off by itself. Got a rubber eye cup. The markings on this one, ON-M59, numberings. Let's see if we got the same numbers or not. Nope. Oh, there we go. There's a bit of difference there in the numberings. Let's see what else is different on them. Mounting. That's the same. Same adjustments. Even got little iron sights. Pretty cool. This one is a little bit more beat up. Looks like it took a couple of hits right there. Bumps. Let's see how the visibility through this one is. If we can get that to line up. There. You can sort of see the shadow of the markings right there. Pretty cool. When you see them in person, it's actually a lot more visible. So again, these are two examples of the ON-M59 Monocular with case. Let's see, former Yugoslavia, People's Army, 3.5 magnification. I think both came with cases. So these are examples from mikesmilitaria.com. Feel free to check out the website. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the playlist, as well as more specific show and tell videos. We also do curios for the curious. Also starting up a book review series. So feel free to check out all those videos. Feel free to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.